Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by identifying the exact field names and expected outputs so you don't break expressions. In a query or table design view, add a calculated field or new column. Then write your first if using if, condition, true result, false result for simple branching. Explain why. It evaluates immediately and returns the chosen value. Once done, test with a small sample of records to ensure data types match and no hash error appears. Now expand to multiple conditions. Nest if functions or prefer switch, condition 1, result 1, condition 2, result 2. You do this because nesting quickly becomes unreadable. Switch reads top to bottom and chooses first true case. Make sure to protect against nulls with is null or NZ around fields. This prevents runtime errors. Once the expression runs, validate edge cases like blanks and zeros, and refactor long chains into VBA function. Finally, implement your tested expression into the query, form control source, or a report calculated field. Save and run the object, then inspect boundary records and any error values. If you see hash error or wrong results, break the expression into smaller parts and test each piece. Evaluate conditions separately, then combine. Make sure data types match expected outputs, and if needed, move complex logic into a VBA function for clarity and reuse. One tip: check for nulls first to avoid cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.